Deep within the vibrant, lush forests of South America lives the rufous hummingbird, a truly tiny creature possessing an astonishing array of remarkable abilities. Weighing less than a mere teaspoon of sugar, this incredible bird undertakes epic journeys, traveling thousands of kilometers during its annual migration, a feat that allows it to outperform birds many times its own diminutive size. Yet, its most astounding superpower is undoubtedly its unparalleled flight. Hummingbirds can effortlessly fly backward, sideways, and even hover perfectly in midair, with their wings beating at an astonishing rate of up to 80 times per second. To fuel this incredible aerial acrobatics and maintain their high energy levels, these tiny marvels must consume nectar equivalent to twice their own body weight each and every day. Despite their delicate appearance and small stature, rufous hummingbirds are surprisingly bold and fiercely territorial defenders, often bravely chasing away birds far larger than themselves. Their remarkable courage, combined with their incredible agility and vibrant beauty, truly makes them one of nature's most captivating and greatest marvels. Like, share, and subscribe to Nibbs TV for more fascinating animal stories and incredible wildlife discoveries.